So I would invite Prashant to take over to make a presentation with things that are happening with regard to these two initiatives. Prashant and our professors from our college will take over. Yes, so welcome, and I hope this is not the last time we meet. You are welcome to Don Bosco anytime. You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Welcome once again. So, I would just like to take you through the presentation of what FIRE has been doing for the last 2 years, which is helping us to build a Atmanirbhar Bharat and Sampurna God. So, we have some of our startups who are here, who have been showcased here. We will also be explaining to you about what initiatives and what steps they have taken to fulfill this ambition of ours. So, Forum for Innovation, Incubation, Research and Entrepreneurship, FIRE, is a technology business incubator established with the support of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to support innovative startups. And it is housed in the Don Bosco College of Engineering, Kolkata. So, in the last 2 years, we have assisted around 75 startups. So, when we are assisting the startups, first of all, we make an assessment about their needs. How can we support them? Do they really need incubation, or they just need some advice, or do they need some connect with somebody else, and so on. So once we assess the needs of a startup, then we start talking to them and we try to see if they need incubation support. So out of these 75 startups whom we connected, around 45 startups were taken up for some kind of incubation support. And out of that 45 startups, we understood that maybe 30 of them could benefit more if they sit out of our premises and start working out from here. And 15 of them we are supporting virtually. So what happens in virtual incubation is if they need some kind of support, if there is an event, if there is a program, if we want to connect them to somebody who can help them, then we give them the services. Otherwise, the 30 startups who are in-house are supported on a regular basis, and whatever assistance they require, we try to see how we can facilitate them so that they move from their idea stage to build a prototype and finally to commercialization. Now, how we do that or how they are progressing, they will be explaining in more detail. But overall, this is the statistics which we have. We have conducted over 60 events, more than 500 people have participated. Some are like big number events, like 30 people, 40 people, 60 people. Some are like 5 people, 2 people. Even one-to-one kind of interactions also have been conducted on a regular basis. We have connected with around 2,500 potential entrepreneurs over a period of last 2 years out of this. We do a lot of events on a regular basis. Now during the pandemic and post that, the number of events have reduced. But otherwise, events are something which is regularly held. We do a lot of competitions in association with other organizations. For example, like STEDEME Startup Competition is a competition which was organized in association with an organization in Australia, where some of the startups from Australia could actually connect with startups from Goa and in India and could build products together. Then we also did the Business Diva competition along with GCCI Women's Spring. Then we do a lot of programs to promote patenting, promote innovative ideas to be converted into IPs and so on. We also did a hackathon with Goa Shipyard Limited. So the idea was Goa Shipyard Limited will identify certain challenges and problems which they have, which is not their core work, which is like having an artificial intelligence look out into their sales department, into their offering, finding vendors and so on. So those kind of activities which did not meet their core initiative, they were looking for startups who could support them. So we organized a hackathon, identified some startups, and that whole discussion is still on with them, how to onboard them and then give them the order. So these are the various support systems which are organized through FIRE so that the startups can move forward and establish and commercialize their business. So in order to do this, we have strong collaborations with various organizations, which include national level, as well as government organization, private organization. The startups are also exposed to investors and so on, who can talk to them. The whole idea is that the startup should get the feel of what others think, stakeholders think, the people who could invest in them think at a very early stage, so that they can start changing their ideas, tweaking their ideas into something which is which could be supported by investors and so on. So these are some of the organizations which we have collaborated with, so that the startups could be supported. One very interesting thing which I would like to highlight here is 5 patents have been filed by our startups. So as you all know, like we are very poor as a country in filing patents. We are very shy, or whatever may be the reasons, and the government is looking forward to actually promote patenting in a big way. Just last month, the parliamentary committee was down in Goa to assess what initiatives, what support system is provided to promote patents within the Western region, Maharashtra, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and so on. And we were very lucky to showcase how our startups are able to file patents, and the parliamentary committee was very happy that we could support some of our startups to file patents, or some of the startups who are within the support system of FIRE are going ahead and filing patents. So I would like to introduce the first startup we have with us, Tejas. He has developed a product which is patented. Maybe quickly if you can talk in a minute or two about your product and what it does, so that will give an overview to friends from the media.
Hello. Hello, I'm Tejas Barve. I'm an incubator at FIRE, and we have designed, developed, and patented this temperature regulating machine. So basically, when let it be a feverish case or a temperature which is below the normal temperature, we can get the temperature of a human and an animal back to normal using these machines. So currently, we are doing veterinary trials of these machines, and we are supposed to do human trials soon. So this is the product for it, and we are the only manufacturers of this product in the whole of India right now. Thank you, sir.
So if you have any questions, you can place them, or we can also take it up together with all the startups in the house. So Tejas has a patented product. So somebody is like right now it is for the veterinary services. If the animal or cattle or dog is going for operation for a long period of time, then the temperature fluctuates. Sometimes it goes down, and sometimes some issues are there. So this machine will help them to regulate the temperature, which is not existing at present in the healthcare sector, particularly for the veterinary sector. So he has worked on this product. So that is the first product. We have a RoboKit, which is okay. Then we'll move on. Then we have a robot-based agri-support company, which is called Ulavan Agritech. Maybe you can briefly talk about what it does, maybe in a minute or two.
नमस्कार. आमच्या कंपनीचे नाव आसा उलवन एग्रीटेक सर्विसेस. सो उलवन एग्रीटेक सर्विसेस. सो उलवन म्हणल्यार तामिलान वर्कर शेतकरी असो अर्थ आसा. सो ते आमचें नाव दिला फाउंडरान जो साउथ इंडियन. सो ताका लागून उलवन एग्रीटेक सर्विसेस. आणि जसो आमच्या देशाचो मोटो आसा जय जवान जय किसान. सो जशें आमच्या जवाना खातीर एक डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्लेलें आसा ड्रोन घेवन. सो जशें ते मिसायली सोडटात, सर्वे करतात, तशें आमी फिल्मांनी पळयलां. तशेंच आमी कितें करतात, ड्रोन घेवन शेतान कशें यूज करपा जाता तें पळयतात. सो सद्या आमचो फर्स्ट ड्रोन आसा तो आमी स्प्रेइंगाक यूज करता. आनी तातूंत आमकां कळ्ळा की जे मॅन्युअली स्प्रे करतात ते सकयल्यान वयर मारतात. सो ते तशें पळोवपाक तांकां त्रास जाता आनी कमी पडटा. सो आमचो ड्रोन आसा तो वयर वता, वयल्यान असो स्प्रे मारीत वता आणि ऑटोमॅटेड ताका फक्त पाथ दिवप स्क्वेअर बॉक्सीस आणि स्प्रे मारीत वचतो सेम पाथ फॉलो करता विथ हेल्प ऑफ सेन्सर्स जसं ताका GPS असता आणि तो ऑटोमॅटिकली फ्लाय करता आणि एडवांटेजीस ओवर मॅन्युअल इट फ्लायज ओव्हर वयल्यान स्प्रे मारता जशें आमी लास्ट मंथाक कॅश्यू स्प्रेइंगाचो प्रोजेक्ट केला थंय आमकां कळ्ळें की जेन्ना तो वयल्यान स्प्रे मारता त्या झाडाचेर प्रेशर पडटा सो त्या प्रेशरान जे ओल्ड जे पयलींचे फुलां बी आसा ती पडटा आनी त्याचो स्प्रे आसा तो बारीक दव कसो पडटा आनी ताका लागून तो बऱ्या भशेन भितरल्यानूय स्प्रेड जाता झाडाच्या आनी चड इफेक्टीव आसा आनी दुसरें मेन म्हणल्यार टायम आमी 1 एकर 10 मिनटांत करूंक शकता कंप्लीट आनी 1 एकरान फक्त 20 लिटर पेस्टिसायड स्प्रे करता तशें ताका म्हणटा तुमी प्रिसिजन स्प्रेइंग सो कमी पेस्टिसायडान चड इफेक्ट येतात आनी बेगीन जाता हेच काम जर मनीस करपाक गेल्लो जाल्यार ताका ऑलमोस्ट अर्दो दीस तरी लागता मनशांक धाडपाक 1 एकरान भितर आनी आमी ते करतात 10 मिनटां आनी असो आमचो जो प्रॉडक्ट आसा थंय तुमकां दिसता हो एक दोंगर जो आमी मॅप केल्लो पयलीं ड्रोनान आनी ताचो 3D मॅप जाल्लो आनी तसो तो ड्रोन पाथ फॉलो करीत वता सो हो आमचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा सो आतां कितें प्रश्न आसा जाल्यार विचारूंक शकता
खंयच्या झाडांचेर मारपाक शकता
सध्या आमी पयल्या फावट केला ते काजू कित्याक गोंयांत चडशे काजू आसा काणकोण पेडण्यासाठी ते दुसरें म्हणल्यार मेन फोकस आसा तो आमचो फ्लॅट ऊस बी आसता पळय तशें ते चडशे गोंया भायर आसता ऊस अशी पॅडी बीन तसल्यांचेर
सुपारी नाल्ल जावपाक
सुपारी नाल्ल जावपाक शकता पण सध्या ते मातशे त्रास पडटा ताका कित्याक ती पानां खूब भायर आसता ड्रोन जर ताका लागलो जाल्यार मागीर तो पडूंक शकता सो तेजेर आमचो रिसर्च चल्ला सध्या की नाल्ल स्प्रे करपाक गरज पडना पूण ते नाल्ल काडप कशें तेजेर आमी विचार करता
कितली लिटराची टाकी वयर वाजते
सध्या आमचो आसा तो 10 लिटरचो आनी 10 लिटर अर्ध्या एकरान पुरो जाता
Next we have Fabrika. Sachin has a patented design.
Hi, we are a biodegradable packaging design startup where we have designed a paper bag that can take up to 10 kg of weight and more. So what we have achieved is it's a paper bag designed with keeping in mind the tension and force in mind, where if you put anything heavyweight or for your grocery and stuff, usually paper bag can take up to around 3 kg to 5 kg. So we have used the technique of folding to increase the weight, and hence you can use it for all the other product, like all the grocery and other uses. And also we have bunch of other products which kind of caters for dry products, wet products and stuff, where you can seal and use it for your FMCG and other areas as well. So this is what we focus on. We focus on biodegradability of packaging, as well as how we can improve the quality and quality of the packaging for the daily use. Yeah, thank you.
Sachin is playing a big role in environmental sustainability also, because if you look at the mask which is having, it's a paper mask. And now the next biggest problem will be about, the reusable masks which are being dumped into the waste bin and so on. So maybe this will biodegrade and make it a much more safer option for us.
Also, all the designs what we do make and like all the designs that we have produced is kind of for using self-help group and producing it through them. So it's more of a so we look forward to use SHGs for the production rather than getting involved machinery and stuff. So this is something what we are trying to get achieved in another a year time. So yeah, that's what we do. Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin.
when you speak about patenting this product
Yeah,
Sachin, are you patenting the entire process of preparing this product? Because paper bag is paper bag, you cannot patent a paper bag.
So when you patent the process of manufacturing, like step by step. So otherwise, yeah, as you said, paperback is paperback.
Yeah, so patenting could be about the product, it could be about the design. So basically this is more about the design aspect. So the strength of the bags comes from the fold, the design aspect of how it is folded. So these are some of the ways which patenting is done. So once he has that license for that particular patent, nobody else can fold it this way and use it in the market commercially.
Really, more people should do it. You should not take the patent. No? More people should get into such kind of bags.
Yeah, so what normally happens in patents is that unless and until it is documented. Say for example, now the patent is there with him and the design comes into the commercial market, then somebody can reach out to him and then have a tie up with him. That is one element. So what is normally happening is there is no incentive for anybody who is innovative in nature. If I make something, somebody else will come and do reverse engineering and then he takes that product without, if I don't have power over it. So normally we are advising nowadays for everyone is that you try to get into a patent format because it is going to be a knowledge economy now. If I have an idea and if I patent it, even if I don't produce it, somebody else can come and produce it. So that's the concept which we are trying to do. I fully agree with you, but what we are thinking is if it comes in public domain by getting patented, then maybe more research can happen. Say today he has this fold, tomorrow somebody else could come with another fold, and then it keeps on multiplying, and then we have a repository of knowledge. Yes, Harish, would you?
I'm Harish. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Letcetera Agritech. We have a commercial hydroponic farm in Valpoi where we hydroponically, or it's a modern technique of farming which is called soilless farming. We grow exotic vegetables like lettuce, basil, cherry tomato, and in July last year we launched a platform which you see here, etc.com. Etc. means agriculture and etc. Through this platform, we want to build an ecosystem for urban farming or modern farming, wherein we have collaborated with various vendors, trainers, experts in this field, and we want to enable more people to come into this. So right from say a household or a housewife or a hobbyist who want to grow in their own balcony or backyard, to commercial farmers or who want to adopt to modern techniques like hydroponics, aquaponics, aeroponics. We want to enable it with this platform. And now that we have built a network of experts and trainers, we have some ideas wherein we can work and contribute to Swayambhur Goa to make Goa self-reliant on to produce their own food, because we as a state we are dependent on the neighboring states. So this is what we are trying to do, and we have already built a few domestic units, hydroponic units across Goa like Kankan, Penjim, Ponda. So that's what pretty much that we are doing.
So Harish is working towards making farming easy, and every household, every person, everybody, even in urban balconies, can start farming and creating that own produce professionally. That's what Harish is trying to do. Thank you, Harish.
Thank you.
We have with us Varna, who is in, and after that we have one more startup. And we have.
Hi, good afternoon. So I'm Swarna Sulekar, and my startup is called as Funwise Learning Tech. So we have this book, and our aim is to reach to the students, specifically the ones who are in government schools and cannot reach to the exposure. So what we intend to do is reach out to improve on their practical intelligence, IQs, and not forgetting the EQs. So we have this book which is electronics based. It's in the form of a story, and it explains to you what exactly electronics is, the very basics of it. Also giving them the small components which you can see are animated here. and they have the actual components which you can assemble at the last page, which has a circuit within the book. So this is how we allow them to work practically while you just read about it as well, and in a language that they understand. Recently, we have also done a project for Government of Goa for reaching out lessons to the students during pandemics, because it was very difficult for them to reach out with the gadgets and the internet in their areas, because a lot of schools in Goa are so remote that students are still walking to their schools for 1 hour and more than that, to and fro. So we try to reach them through Goa 365. The lessons are still going on from 9 to 11 for 2 hours. We have experimented in 2 subjects right now, maths and science, because it's the core, and let them keep going their brains and keep working on to whatever they want to, which helps them nourish their thinking as well. So yes, that's what as social we have reached out to all the schools without any financial burden on the government. We have done it through a CSR project.
Thank you, Suvarna. I think that's nice part to share your startup. One of the components of Atmanirbhar Bharat is to see how we can substitute imports. So right now we have a company which is more into importing, but their plan is slowly after importing, how do we convert that into something which can be manufactured locally.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Arvaz. I am co-founder and CEO of Custom Elements. So Custom Elements is into motorcycling space, people who are enthusiasts, motorcycling enthusiasts, which is in India around 4,000 crore market. Alright, so there are a lot of people who are taking motorcycle as passion, but if we tell you, around 90% of our products are imported. Helmets imported from China, jackets, boots, gloves imported from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Vietnam, or you see any accessories which you put it on your bike and everything, most of them come from China. So at this moment we are serving the community, motorcycling community, by having an online space, online website. We provide them products, and we are doing that research of which products can be produced here in India. So we contribute to the initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are already into communication with manufacturers from Agra. Those guys make boots. Agra is well known to make boots. So we are already researching on how do we make motorcycling boots here in India. The soles are only available in Italy, the ones which we want to make that quality, right? So we are on the process of making sure that this 4,000 crore market, which is supposedly reaching to 6,000 crores in the next 7 to 8 years, as estimated. So we want to make it here in India. So if you have any questions for us, please go forward.
I think, sorry.
Yeah,
Please,
you are designing something. I didn't get you. You are importing right now.
So at this moment, yes, we work with all major importers, because more than 90% of these products are imported. So we are currently working on a design, the boots design, motorcycle boots to start with, and slowly we want to go into a bigger market, which is the helmet. So helmet in this industry, 90% are produced only in China. Even the world's best brands, European brands, manufactured in China. Whereas the smaller helmets, the studs and all, are manufactured in India. But the high quality ones are done only in China.
So right now you're working on researching on boots for me.
Boots, yeah. To start with, we are researching on boots. Yeah. Any other questions? Sure. Thank you so much.
So this was another startup. Basically, it is associated with Goa Shipyard. What they are doing is they have a surveillance vehicle which is battery operated. So there is no person sitting there. So it will automatically go and start surveying and see if there is a threat or some issues or whatever it is. And it is environmental friendly because the batteries used are of that type. So these are a few startups which we have highlighted. We have also shared with you some details about FIRE, what we are doing. More details about what startups are there on the last page which we have shared with you in this booklet. And also how we do it, what is the support which we provide. Most of the details are given in this book which we have shared. I would like my colleague Tushar, I have one more startup of ours, Sunaya, whom we have missed out before we go to the last part. Sunaya has a robot kit. Sunaya, you can quickly come over.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunaya Shirokar. I represent my company ACS Solutions. We are basically an edtech startup when we are trying to equip the kids with the knowledge of robotics. We help them to explore the field of latest the latest fields of technology more into robotics, AI, and coding. So what we have done is we have developed this RoboKids right from the beginners to the intermediate and to the pro level. We are targeting the kids from 7 years of age to 21 years of age. So yeah, 7 years to 15 years, the school students, and then the RoboKid Pro, that's for the engineering students. We have talking about the Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are developing these kits over here. We have the robotic chassis that we develop at the GSINC lab and the PCBs that we develop at the incubation, fire incubation.
So Sunaya is trying to make all the products from Goa itself, right from this place itself, rather than bringing it from China. So that's the change which we are seeing in our products.
Where is the unit where it's manufactured?
We have the robotic chassis. We do it here itself at Don Bosco's. So we have we do it at GSINC lab as well as the PCB lab at FIRE.
Yeah. So now it is more at the initial stage. So as the production goes and becomes mass production, we'll need to find a vendor to do that. So at this moment of time, because it's at the incubation stage,
At present, from where the kits come? India?
These kits?
Yeah. No, this will be the robotic kits which are
It's
available.
mostly from China and Germany that we get it in India. But then here, including the kit, the packaging, everything is done in India.
What is the market of it?
The market of it.
Robotic kits. Value.
The value of each kit.
No. What is
Total
the
turnover
is what is the position of the market for the kits?
you may not have but you can share that.
Yeah.
You can share that information because it's very important to understand how big is the market, so that even if you take 10% or 1% or 2%, you will know how much money you can make out of it. So the question is coming for that reason. How big the scope is for you in this field. You get the correct information, correct data, and you can share it. Sir, what we are trying to say is that incubation support, startup, innovation, FIRE is happening at two levels. One is this very innovative, patented, high-end startups who are working on projects. But we are also working at the grassroots level, going to the interior villages, working with local people. And my colleague Tushar Sawant is exclusively working on that project. Tushar can briefly explain what this project is.
Hello. This flagship event of FIRE is called Duty. Duty सगळ्यांना खबर आसा कोंकणीन ड्युटी म्हणटा. पूण आमची ड्युटी मातशी दुसरे भशेन वी आर टेकिंग द फायर फ्रॉम फायर एंड ताची ड्युटी करून आमी गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांत वता. ड्युटी म्हणल्यार आमची एक्चुअली डेव्हलपिंग इंटेरियर विलेजीस थ्रू इनोव्हेशन. जे कितें आमचे कडेन आसा ओवर अ पिरियड आमी जे एकठांय केलां ते गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांत पावोवपाचें आनी जेणे करून हो आत्मनिर्भर भारत म्हणून जे कॉल दिला किंवा स्वयंपूर्ण म्हणून गोवा त्या दृष्टीन हो महत्वाचो. आनी रायट नाव वी हॅव चोजन अ विलेज कॉल्ड खोतिगांव हांगासरल्यान 60 किलोमीटर पयस सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें तेजे बारशे गांवांनी आमी काम करता मोरकिल्ला. पूण खोतिगांव गांवांत आमचें काम मोठ्या प्रमाणांत सुरू जाल्लें आसा. थंय आमी जॅगरी युनिट घालो एक आमचे ट्रेडिशनल जॅगरी युनिट. कित्याक सहकार कारखानो बंद पडटकीर इमिडिएट जे भायर वता पळय ऊस तांकां किंमत खूब मेळटा. त्या नंतर आमी थंय जॅगरी युनिट रोबोट केलो. मागीर तसोच ते एक रुरल मार्ट केलो आमी which is supported by नाबार्डाच्या सहकार्यान आमी थंय रुरल मार्ट प्रमोट केलो. सो गांवची सगळी गरज त्या मार्टांतल्यान आतां वता. सो जेणे करून खोतीगांवची इकॉनॉमी खोतीगांवानूच उरतली, जी नॉर्मली काणकोण वताले, कुंकळे वताले किंवा कारवार वताले, ते आतां खोतीगांवानूच करता. मागीर म्हाका एक शॉक बसलो थंय, आमी खोतीगांवान खंयच्याच बायलेन केन्नाच पापड करूं नाशिल्ले. तांकां पापड करपाक शिकयले, आतां ते पापड करतात. तांची तारवटी मिरसांगी तांच्याच गांवांत जाता, तांची मिरयां तांचेच कडेन आसता. नांव फक्त म्हणटा ती उडदाची दाळ, ती आतां दुसऱ्या सिजनाक ती ताजेर काम करतली. सो सगळो जो रिसोर्स आसा न्ही तो गांवच्या गांवानूच अवेलेबल जातलो. प्लस आमी थंय ऑयस्टर मशरूम प्रमोट करता. आतां तो चालू आसा प्रोसेस. ऑयस्टर मशरूम आमी बाकी कडेन कोंकणे 5 लोकांक ट्रेनिंग दिल्या जाता, 5 लोकांचो ऑयस्टर मशरूम करतात. अशें करून आमी आतां वाडयतात हो सगळो व्याप वाडोवपाक, खूब वाडपाचो आसा न्ही. हो आमी गांवांत वचून वाडयतात, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक ट्रेन करून वाडयतात. तशेंच आमी बी किपींग ट्रेनिंग खूब जाणांक दिलां. आतां बी किपींग आतां सीजन कॉमेस जातलो एंड ऑफ फेब्रुवारी, तितले मेरेन तांकां बॉक्सीस पेटी, ती बॉक्सीसय दिली गेली वतली. बारशा तशी आमी 40 बॉक्सां दवरिल्ली गेल्या त्या सिजनाक. पूण ती 40 सिजन तांच्या हाजे थोड्या अभावाक लागून ते त्या लेवली कडेन पावना. ह्या सिजनाक आमकां ते पळोवपाचें आसा की त्या लेवलीक पावतले. तांकां निदान 5 ते 7 किलो वर्साक एका बॉक्सांतल्यान मेळूं जाय करपाक. सो ड्युटी म्हणल्यार अशें, आनी हातूंत बारीक बारीक स्कील जे लोकल रिसोर्सीस आसा ताजेर बेस करून जे स्कील तांकां आमी दिवपाचे आसा तो प्रयत्न करता. आनी तातूंतल्यान तांकां करपाक शिकयता. आनी सगळ्यांत चड इम्पॉर्टंट आमी करतात ते जे कितें करतात न्ही ताका बरें एक रेस्पेदार पॅकेजींग दिवन ताजें मार्केटींग करपाचो प्रयत्न आमी करतात, जेणे करून तांकां कांयच प्रॉब्लम येवं जायना ते कितें करतात ते.
कितले लोक इनवॉल्ड आसा तुमच्या हातूंत?
कित्याक
कितले लोक इनवॉल्ड आसा?
म्हणजे आमच्या सायडीन
तुमी कितले जाणांक कवर केला?
जॅगरी
आता रुरल मार्ट तांणी केला न्ही, तातूंत तांचे मेंबर आसा 286.
सो
आता सद्याक कमी आसा तो नंबर, एक 400-500 आसतलो.
कमी जालो, चड जालो. हो कमी जालो तो.
ना तो खूब वाडोवपाचो आसा. हे जेन्ना वाक आमी घेवन वतले, कित्याक आतां आमी आयकता व्हडलीं व्हडलीं नांवां जीं महाराष्ट्रांतल्या विलेजीसनी, कोण गोंयच्या विलेजीचें नांव घेना. उद्देश तो आसा लोक हांगा येवचो ते पळोवचे ती विलेज.
आतां ऑनलायनाचेर सुरू जाला पळय, सो वेरी ताका लागून मदीं जो एजंट आसा तो मायनस जाल्लो आसा. यू डोंट इवन रिक्वायर शेल्फ. सो ताजे थ्रू तुमी हाव यू सेलिंग ऑनलायन ऑल्सो?
हय, ऑनलायन सगळे प्लॅटफॉर्म तांकां एक अगली डकलिंग म्हणून आसा, ताजे थ्रू तांकां ऑनलायन करपाचें आसा. अजून एक आमचे कडेन एक हें आयिल्लो आसा ऑनलायन मार्केटींग करपाचो, आनी तो सगळे एसेसीचो डेटाय बी दवरतलो. तसलो एप आयला, ताजेर चालू आसा. तेंय जातलें कालांतरान. तो प्रोसेस आतां कॉमेन्स केला. आनी सगळ्यांत व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट आतां जातलो सुरू तो जॅकफ्रूट 85% पणस पेड्ड्यार जाता गोंयचे, खायना. सो ताजेर मोठ्या प्रमाणान जावपाक जाय, स्टार्ट सुरू करपाक जाय. आतां जॅकफ्रूट आतां जावपाक लागल्या. ते तन्ने जॅकफ्रूट ते पिकिल्ले जॅकफ्रूट ही सगळी जर्नी आसतली. कित्याक तन्ने पॅक करून विकपाक मेळटा आनी तांची भाजी कुवले म्हणटात.
कुवले ते साठ.
आनी जेणे करून गोंयकार हेल्थ खातलो. आमकां मेन उद्देश आसा. आतां जॅगरी सुद्दां खूब जॅगरी युनीट जाली न्ही, साखर बंद जाली न्ही जाल्यार गोंयकार खूब हेल्दी उरतलो. साखर सगळ्यांक खबर आसा साखर कितली डेंजर. सो हे सगळें जातल्यार वता. काकम कोणाक खबर ना काकम म्हणल्यार कितें ती. इट्स अ टोटल फायबर. कॅनल एलिमेंटरी कॅनल सामकें निवळ दवरपाचें. हांव लास्ट आतां 8 काय 10 दीस जाले काकमच खाता. च्यान सुद्दां तीच खाता. इट इज व्हेरी गुड. फील्स लायक. आनी क्वॉलिटी कितें ना ताजी हें वाडयतात तुवें आमची हेमोग्लोबीन कंटेंट, स्पेशली बायलांची लेवल कमी वा चड 11 सकयल ती वाडयतलो जाल्यार काकम इज द बेस्ट सबस्टिट्यूट अशें म्हणटात ते. हें पयलीं साकून चलत येयलें, खंय तरी हांवें ब्रेक केला, तें चालू जावचें अशें मनांतल्यान दिसता. आतां आमी खोतीगांव चालू केला तो पळोवन सांग्या वयले एक 2 जाण आयले. दे आर ऑल्सो सेटिंग अप अ जॅगरी युनीट इन सांगे. ते चालू करतात. बारशा किसकोंड्या बी चालू आशिल्ले युनीट ट्रेडिशनल. आनी मायंड यू ते गांवचे गांवान लोक 150 रुपया किलो हें गोड घेता. 150 रुपया किलो. नॉर्मल बाजारान गेल्यार आमकां 38-40 रुपयांक मेळटा. हेंच गोड ट्रेडिशनल स्वरुपान ते केल्ले गोड 150 रुपया किलो गेल्ले वता. पयर बारशा हांव गेलो त्या सायडीक रोड सायडीक बसता ताणें 200 रुपया म्हणून सांगलें म्हाका. आनी विकतात ती. म्हणजे लोकांक हाजो म्हत्व खबर आसा आनी हळू हळू तें वाडत वतलें तितलें मागीर प्रोडक्शन वाडटा रेटी सकयल हाडपाक आमकां मदत जातली आनी जे कोण ट्रेडिशनल ऊस रोवपी आसा तांकां कॅश क्रॉप दिता तांकांय मदत जातली बाकीचे प्रोडक्ट्स आसा तेय बी टॅग करपाचे हातूंत गेले फॉर एग्जांपल ताजी मदत घेतलो पॅकेजिंगाक लागून कित्याक एक एलीट क्लास पॅकेजींग केलें जाल्यार ताचे कस्टमरी क्लायंटली वाडटले परचेस करपी जातले कित्याक लोकांक हात लावपाक पयलीं आमी ते तशें दिवं जाय न्ही बेश्टे काडून प्लास्टिकान एट्रॅक्टीव दिसना अपील जायना आमचें पॅकेजींग अशें आसपा जाय जें दिसता पॅकेजींग शूड स्पीक फॉर द प्रॉडक्ट काय भितरलो दिश्टी पडना पूण भायल्यान प्रॉडक्ट पॅकेजींग पळोवन तरी प्रॉडक्टा बद्दल पॅकेजिंगान उलोवल्लें जाय अशें थियरी वापरून पॅकेजींग करपाक सोदता जेणे करून तांच्या प्रॉडक्टाक बरो न्याय मेळटलो आनी प्रॉडक्ट खऱ्यांनी चडसो ऑर्गेनीक आनी बरो प्रॉडक्ट आसता विलेजींतलो
हांगाच आसा तुमचे कडेन पॅकेजींग आसा
हय, तेच.
ड्रोन आसा एपी करपी आसा
हय
हाजे भायर वचपाक
आतांच आमी आमचे तकलेन आयले सगळें तांकां दिवपाचें जेणे करून ती आमकां बरी हेल्थी दितली अशी
आणि सबका मंडी म्हणून सुद्धा एक स्टार्टअप आसा तांचे कडेन 2,500 रिटेलर आसा ते होलसेलान सामान घेता आनी 2,500 शॉपान घालता तातूंतल्यान सुद्धा हे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करपाक मेळटा
सो आमची गांवची बायलां दे आर रेडी टू वर्क तांकां फक्त नाशिल्ले कमी आशिल्ले मार्केटींग आनी पॅकेजींग सपोर्ट तो आमी दिता प्लस इनिशियली स्टार्ट जाता स्किलिंगांतल्यान तांकां ते स्किलिंग सुद्दां प्रोवायड करता
गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम अंडर काय ना
सध्या तरी आमीच करता फादर थँक्स टू फादर
आमची आयडिया कितें की एक इनोवेट एक स्टार्ट करून जाता मागीर गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगपाचें की एक प्रॉडक्ट जो पॅटर्न जो आसा तशें केला एक मॉडल सो केला आतां फुडें सपोर्ट मेळ्ळो जाल्यार ते ऑल ओव्हर गोवा आमी स्प्रेड करूंक शकता पयलीं वचून पयशे घेवन मागीर ते सारकें जायना जाल्यार मागीर बरें जावचें ना न्ही म्हणून आमी पयलीं चिंतलें की मॉडल सारको करुया कित्याक तातूंत सुद्दां ट्रिकींग जाय आतां पॅकेजींग सारकें ना सप्लाय चेन डिस्ट्रिब्युशन सारकें जावपाक जाय हांगच्या लोकांक पेडे सुद्दां मेळपाक जाय लायफ सायकल हे सगळें सेटअप जातकच आमी कंप्लीट जालें फुलफील जालें अशें म्हणूं शकता
तेच हांव सुचनाक सुद्दां सांगतालें आमी गोडाचे व्हडले धेपोशे दिवचे आनी 1 किलाच्यो बारीक बारीक क्यूब करून दिवचे जेणे करून ते हँडीवूड लोक यूज करताले ना ते फोडचे पडटा हात चिकचिकीत जाता म्हणून सोडून दिता तशेंच तांचे भायर ग्रॅन्युल्स केले गेले वता साखरे भशेन जॅगरीचेच तेय करपाक ताका मातसो आनी प्रोसेस ते सुद्दां एक्सपर्टीज आमी पयर संकेश्वर वचून आमी ते पळोवन आयल्यात ते हांगा करपाक सोदता आनी करून आमचें गोंय गोडान स्वयंपूर्ण अशें म्हणजे अशें करून स्वयंपूर्ण गोवा कडेन आमी एक पावल मारता
कॉन्सेप्ट म्हणल्यार जे एक्सपर्ट आसा जे स्टार्टअप आसा जे बरे इनोवेटीव काम करता तांचो उपयोग करून गांवचे लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स कशे वयर हाडप हेजें एक कॉम्बिनेशन कशें चलतलें ताचो उद्देश तें काम चालू आसा सद्या तरी ओके तुषार आय थिंक